In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meme coin on Pump.Fun. Before you create anything, the first thing you need is a Solana wallet. You can use a wallet like Phantom or Solflare, then either create a new wallet or import one you already have. As you set it up, make sure you back up your recovery phrase securely and keep it private. You'll also need to deposit some SOL into the wallet because SOL is used to cover both the initial purchase and the blockchain transaction fees. Without that balance, you won't be able to complete the launch. Once your wallet is ready, go to the official Pump.Fun website. On the site, click Log In or Connect Wallet, choose your wallet provider, and then approve the connection request. After the wallet is connected, you'll be ready to move into the coin creation process. Next, click Create New Coin. This opens the form where you'll enter the core details for your token. You'll need to choose a coin name and a ticker, which is the short symbol for your token. You can also add a description if you want, along with an image or video. There are also optional fields for a website, an X link, and a Telegram link. Take your time here because Pump.Fun notes that details like your image, banner, and social links cannot be edited after creation. It's a good idea to review everything carefully before you continue. Depending on the current version of the interface, you may also see some optional settings. These can include things like Mayhem Mode, Cashback, a USDC pair, or a banner image. If those options appear, choose the settings that fit how you want to launch your coin. Since these choices can affect how your token is presented, it's worth giving them a quick review before moving on. After that, you'll need to buy your own coin to make it available on-chain. Choose how much SOL you want to spend for the initial purchase, review the estimated fees, and then confirm the transaction in your wallet. Pump.Fun says that creating the coin itself is free, but it won't be publicly available until that first buy happens. In many cases, the full process of creating and buying requires around 0.04 SOL in total, including the first buy fee, gas, and a little extra balance for future transactions. Once you confirm, wait for the Solana network to process everything. After the transaction goes through, your meme coin will appear on Pump.Fun and other people will be able to discover it, buy it, and trade it. Finally, when your token is live, you can start sharing it. You can promote the Pump.Fun coin page, your token contract address, and any community links like your website, X page, or Telegram. Many creators start building community attention before launch or immediately after, so people can quickly learn about the project.